So you have chicken barbecue. So this is my chicken marinade or chicken marination. I use chicken thigh, add some lemon juice, garlic, onion, ginger, and salt and pepper just to taste. Add a little bit of oil, and yeah, so we can make chicken barbecue using air fryer because it's winter, it's still cold outside, it's still snowing up here. So it's so easy. If you want this recipe, just comment comment section below. So and this is my chicken barbecue. So we flip it over up. And another 20 minutes another side. I glaze with my homemade barbecue sauce. It's so easy. If you want this barbecue sauce, just feel free to comment below, and then I will give you the recipe. And first check na natin ating chicken barbecue using air fryer. That perfect. Chicken barbecue. There you go. So you have chicken barbecue using air fryer.